So, hi guys. Wait. So, hey guys. Maglalaro tayo ng Roblox and Tara. Let's play Speed Tower 1 and reading comments tayo next time. Okay? By the way, don't forget to like and follow and subscribe, like and share. Please like, subscribe and share this video right now, or I will not gonna post anything. Sorry. So I'm just playing this all night, and it's night today. No. By the way, mag-reading comments tayo next time. Dapat mag-comment ha. Kaya comment ng mga auntie. So this is such a little hard. So let's skip it. If I fall, let's leave, okay? If nahulog ako, maglilive tayo at ibang laro naman. Request kayo anong lalaroin natin next. Tingnan ko yung mga comment. Tignan ko yung mga comment, guys. Kung talagang nagko-comment kayo kung anong lalaroin natin. By the way, bago kayo mag-comment, dapat mag-subscribe. At kung sino man yung nakasubscribe, yun lang yung papansinin ko, okay? Yan lang talaga. Sabihin niyo anong next laruin natin for today. And magla-live ako next week. Let's play volleyball. Oh, I'm a blue. Yan guys, panalo na kami. Wait lang. Wala pa pala. Hindi gumagalaw. I want the real. Char. Make wish come true. Christmas. Underneath my Christmas tree. Make my wish come true. No. Karaoke kaya tami. No! Bawal yun ito. Make my wish come true. Baby. Try. No! Kaya yan ano? We win. So that's all for today, guys. Part 2 naman. Dahil I will gonna see the comments. Okay. We're gonna see the comment kung anong lalaroin natin for today's video.